So Tuba, you spoke to the ANC in the province today regarding Ricardo Mthembu. What are they saying about contact tracing and the legacy he leaves behind?
Yes, Shahan, we indeed spoke to the ANC in the province. In fact, we started at the house of Ricardo Mthembu in Watuguza, where we saw many ANC members, as you'll understand, especially coming from that area of Watuguza, as you understand that Ricardo has been the chairperson of the ANC in that region, and he also served as the mayor for a number of years in that area. So they had come to the family just to mourn and have the messages to the family. But of great concern to the ANC is the move now that they have to take in trying to trace the people that had been in contact with Ricardo Mthembu, though we understand that for a number of weeks, Mthembu had been in hospital, so that means he had not been in contact with many people, especially at the provincial office. We spoke to the provincial secretary, Mdumiseni Ntuli. Maybe let's listen to Ntuli explaining.
Comrade Ricardo has been away from the ANC office for quite some time. He has also been missing. There was an opportunity where we were supposed to meet as a small team, where we sit and strategize about what should be our next step in terms of the war against the virus. He missed that meeting as well. That happened 3 weeks ago, and then later on we were told that he was hospitalized. That happened just few days before he was hospitalized. So he has not been in contact with any of our comrades in the provincial office and the leadership, and we obviously continue to receive guidance from the MEC of Health, Comrade Nomakuku Smelane Zulu, in relation to what else and what more should we be doing.
So let's talk about Mike Mabuyakhulu in ICU. Do we know whether this is COVID-19 related or not?
Firstly, Shahan, I spoke to Untuli about that. He rejected the reports that suggest that Mike Mabuyakhulu is in ICU. When we spoke to him, it was around 1 in the midday, and he told us that he had just spoken to Mabuyakhulu 2 hours ago at that particular time, and he said he was in good spirit. And what he also confirmed is that Mabuyakhulu did his test, COVID-19 test, and the result came negative. So all the reports that came out about him being in hospital and being positive of COVID-19, they were all not true. And this is what Ntuli had to say.
What excites us most is that he has tested negative on the COVID-19, which is -1 problem. Of course, he is not yet released from the hospital, but at least we now know that he was not in any way attacked by this deadly pandemic. We wish him a speedy recovery. I had a conversation with him about 2 hours ago, together with our provincial chairperson, the Premier, Comrade Sihle Zigalala. We had a conversation with Comrade Mike, and he was giving us a assurance that he's okay, he's doing well, he has received his results. He's obviously continued to be monitored by the doctors, but his hope is that he may be released later today or tomorrow. But I really do want to assure our people that Comrade Michael Mabuyakhulu is well.
We're glad he's well. Tuba Vilane is in Durban.